Welcome to MSMF classes. Let us see the syntax of switch case and let us understand some important rules. First of all, you need to use the keyword switch, and in this you need to mention an expression of your choice. Okay, and then you need to include some cases, right? So while writing cases, you need to follow some rules. Okay, so important rule number one is always use an integer value while writing a label of a case. Okay, so here I'm using case 1. Okay, and if you see here I'm using case 2, okay, which is an integer. I cannot use 1.0, 2.0 because those are floats. And also another important thing is you can also use a character constant such as capital A, capital B, small b, etc. So as these will be treated with their ASCII values. We know that capital A ASCII value is 65, so it will be treated as 65 only. Okay, so another thing, important rule number 2 is always use a space between case and its name. Okay, don't forget to mention space here. Okay, use one space, right? So that is rule number 2. And important rule number 3 is always include a default case in your switch statement. Okay, so here we are using a default case. And another thing you need to remember is we can only use one default case. And another rule number 4 is use a break statement. So though it is not mandatory to include break statement in every case, but you need to use break statement somewhere.